Hey, it's the VW guy, and today I'm going to show you how to check the oil level on your Volkswagen Touareg. Now, if you check under the hood, you'll notice you'll have a dipstick tube there. When you go to pull out the dipstick, there is no dipstick in there. It's just a little plug. It's just a service dipstick tube. So you can check it from inside the vehicle. First, you want to make sure that the vehicle is warmed up. And then you want to turn the key on, but have the engine off for 2 minutes. So you have that off for 2 minutes. Once you do that, you can come over to car, service, and you'll have your oil level displayed here. I'm working on the VR6 3.6 liter, so it takes about 6.8 quarts. If you didn't warm the vehicle up, you'll have a little message here that says please warm vehicle up and have key off for 2 minutes. So you'll have that message instead of the level there. And that's it. I want to thank you for watching this video today. Hope you have a great day.